Hello, if you wanna cut and trim your video clips in Capcut, then keep watching this video till the end. So this is the video clip that I've imported to my video project in Capcut. There is a very small difference between cut and trimming, and I think you will understand the difference when I show you a live practical demo how to cut and trim your clip. Okay, so let's go. First of all, if you wanna cut the clip anywhere in the middle, just keep this white particle bar over there, and now to cut the clip, just select the video clip like this. And now look at the bottom options, click on split. Now it has cut the clip in the exact position where this white particle bar is there. Now there is one more way to cut your clip. See, if you select the clip, this is called the starting point, and if you go to the right side, this is called the ending point of the clip. And now you can crop or cut the clip from both the starting or ending point. For example, if you want to cut the clip from the ending point, just click over there and now drag it to the left side a little bit like this. And if you want to cut the clip from the starting point, you can do it too. Just go there and now click on the first point and drag it to the right side a little bit like this. So this is how you can cut and trim your clip in Capcut. So if you found the video a little bit helpful, then hit a like, and if you want to watch more this kind of helpful videos, then do subscribe the channel. So see you soon in the next video with another helpful tips and tricks. Till then, thank you, bye bye.